Hello, my name is Julio Burgos and I will teach you how to use Google Drive. Google Drive in this tutorial will teach you how to use Google Drive to store and share documents. You can use Google Drive both on desktop on mobile platform, but you must have a Google account in order to use Google Drive. The first open Google Drive. Go to the direction in your preferred browser. On mobile, tap the Google Drive app icon, which resembles a yellow, green, and blue triangle. If you don't have a Google Drive on mobile, you can download it for iPhone or Android phone free. Click Go to Drive. It is a button blue in the middle of the page. Doing so, open the sign-in page. On mobile, tap sign-in at the bottom of the screen. Skip this step and the next one if you are already signed into Google Drive. Enter account details. One problem, type in the email address and password that you use to log into your Google account. On mobile, you might have to select a Google account when prompted. Review your Google Drive homepage. You should see a column of options on the left side of the page, along with a large blank space in the middle of the page. On mobile, you will see a blank space with a white plus at the bottom of the screen, along with an icon in the top left corner of the screen. Any items uploaded to Google Drive will be available on any other platform that supports Google Drive. Uploading files on Google Drive. Version desktop. Click New and it is a blue button in the upper left corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Click File Upload. This option is in the new drop-down menu. Doing so, open a file explorer on Windows or Finder if you use a Mac. Then select a file. Click a file that you want to load. If you want to load multiple files, you can hold down Ctrl or Command in Mac while clicking files or select them. You might first need to select a file storage folder from the left side of the window. Remember this. Then click Open. It is the bottom right corner of the window. The files will be uploading to Google Drive. This is important. Wait for the files to finish uploading. This can take a varying amount of time depending on the files upload size and your internet connection. So just make sure that you keep the Google Drive page open. Once the files finish uploading, you will see a white check mark to the right of the file's name in the box that on the right side of the page. Uploading files on mobile. This is for the mobile version of Google Drive. You need to tap plus. It is in the bottom right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear as you see in the image. Next, you need to take upload. You will see this in the pop-up menu. next step is you need to take photos and videos. It is near the bottom of the menu. You might be taken directly to the Photos page on Android. Select a location, type the album or folder in which the file that you want to load is located. Wait for the files to finish uploading. This can take several minutes to several hours depending on the file size and your internet connection. Once the file completes uploading, the file progress bar will disappear. It is important to stay near a Wi-Fi or router and keep Google Drive open during this time, and you can use Google Drive with your phone data. But it is important you don't close Google Drive until the files finish uploading. Creating new files on desktop. Click New. It is the blue button in the upper left corner of the Drive window. A pop-up drop-down menu will appear, as you see at the picture. Select a document type and click one of the following options. Google Docs, open a new blank Word-like document. Google Sheets, open a new blank Excel-like spreadsheet. Google Slide, open a new blank PowerPoint-like document. You can also select more and then click Google Form if you want to create a Google Form, but this is a topic from another tutorial. Next step is you need to name your document. Click the untitled text in the upper left side of the page, then replace the untitled text with whatever you want to name your document. Your change will be saved automatically as long as you are connected to the internet. The next step is create your document. Enter your document text, image, and so on. Then make sure that the phrase "Add change in Drive" is displayed at the top of the page. You can add images, tables, spreadsheets, and text, pictures, upload files from image from your computer or mobile in this case. Close the document tabs and return to Drive. Your document will be saved on the Drive home page. Sharing files on desktop. Select a drive. Click a file that you want to share with another person. You should see several icons appear at the top of the page when to do this. Sharing documents or files is useful when the file in question is over 25 MB in use, since most email providers won't allow you to send it as an attachment at that point, because the most email providers can permit only 10 MB files. Next, you need to click share icon. It is an image of a person with a plus next to it. You will find this icon in the upper left right side of your Google Drive page. Clicking it prompts a new window to open. Click the edit icon. This pencil-shaped icon is on the far right side of the pop-up window. A drop-down menu will appear, and you need to write the email in this site. Select a share icon. Click the one of the following options in the drop-down menu. Can edit. The person with whom you share the document will be able to edit the document. can comment. The person with whom you share the document will be able to leave comments about the document but not edit the document. Can view. The person with whom you share the document will only be able to view but not edit or comment on the document. Enter the email address in the people text field that's in the middle of the window. Type an email address of a person with whom you want to share the document. You can enter multiple email address here by pressing the tab key after each email address. Add a note if you like. If you want to include a set of instructions or a brief statement about the item which you are sharing, enter it in the Add a Note text box. Click Send. It is a blue button in the bottom left side of the window. This will share the file with your selected recipient via email. And this is all. Thank you for your attention.